Namaskar. Welcome to Conversations with Rakesh. Here's today's question. Sir, I'm in my third year BBA. I'm lost. I don't know what I should do next. Should I do an MBA or there is a new program on data analytics or AI, Python? My parents also want me to join the family business. I'm so confused. What do I do? My dear friend, the age that you are in, 20 years or 21 years, is an age of confusion. So don't worry too much about it. All of us, including me, when we were 20, highly confused, lost. There are so many options your generation has. And because you have so many options, you are overwhelmed. It is absolutely normal to be overwhelmed. And the emotion that you're feeling is a combination of tremendous anxiety about the future and making choices. So it can be very hard on you. So, what I want to do is give you a different perspective. And to do that, let me help you understand that you are 20 years right now. The only thing you have done in life is wake up, study, play something, eat food, write exams, go to sleep. Now, this is a part of life. This is the gift you have been given, and you're privileged. But I think the reality of the world is going to change very soon. So, you are about to enter a new world, which is very different than the world you are right now living. And you have to go through a metamorphosis to be able to survive that world. Now, if you remember biology and zoology and botany, you'll remember metamorphosis, that you have to really prepare to go to the next world. And this next world is not going to be full of waking up, studying, eating food, and sleeping. It's about survival, upskilling, figuring out what's important, fending for yourself, and you're not prepared. So, this is a good time for you to prepare for that world. Point number one, you are just 20. You've got at least 70, 75 years in front of you. So don't be in a hurry to decide something to do next. Postpone your education, finish your BBA. There's no hurry to do an MBA or data analytics at this point of time. And this is very important for you to start thinking that our country thinks that we should finish education in one shot and that's where life begins. And I don't agree with that. Education is a non-stop continuous process. Don't be in a hurry to finish post-graduation by 22 and then you all become some people, because very soon you'll realize that what you have studied in those colleges is useless. You have to upskill yourself in the 21st century. So don't be in a hurry to study more at this point of time. Stagger it, postpone it. Point number two, you need to now find a way to change this beautiful life of waking up, eating, writing exams, studying, mugging, and sleeping to a new world. And this is where you need to get out of your home and pick up any job that you can. Because it's important for you to see and sample this new world where mummy is not there. You will not get food in your hands. You also have to clean your clothes. You have to buy food, maybe cook food, survive with other roommates who may not be like you, and adjust into this reality called life and fend for yourself. In fact, there's this amazing movie, classic movie of India called Maine Pyar Kiya. Salman Khan's first movie with Bhagyashree, unbelievable romantic movie. But in that, there's a beautiful scene where Salman Khan really loves Bhagyashree and wants to marry her. But Bhagyashree's father says that, buddy, you are nothing without your family's money. And I'm not going to let you marry my daughter because I know that without your family's money, you are nothing. So this guy says, Babuji, I will figure out a way to earn 2000 rupees and prove that I'm worthy of your daughter. And for the next 1 or 2 months, he does all kinds of jobs. He drives trucks. Indian movies are very melodramatic. And there are no call centers and knowledge jobs. So he has to hit stones and, he picks up stuff and keeps it in trucks and all that and earns 2000 rupees and comes back home. But this process is very important for even you, that you are enjoying this pampered life, privileged life that you've been given, but prepare for this new life where you can fend for yourself, leave the comfort of your home, take up any internship, any job on your own, even if it is a small amount of money, earn that because it will give you the perspective of survival in this new world. And it could be any job. You are doing BBA, pick up any company. You can join their accounts department, you can join their sales department, you can join their website department, you can join their call center. Anything is fine because you have to learn business and you are just 20. So don't be stuck up that I will do only AI, ML, coding, or MBA and I'll become a strategist. I don't think it happens that way. So if you can stagger your decision and work, please get out of your home and start working. Come out of your comfort zones. Find one day where you can survive without your parents. And from that day, start looking at how the world operates. What skills are important? What strengths do you have? Where are the gaps? Then you make your decision that, okay, looks like the skills of the world are moving towards maybe AI with business, maybe entrepreneurship. And I'm a very good salesperson. I've done this internship. I'm now enjoying sales and marketing. Now you are ready to think what to do next because you have some experience which tells you what you're good at and what the world wants. And that's where you decide a step. That it could be an MB program, it could be data analytics, it could be AI, ML, or none of the above. You could just create your own company and do something in this space. So many of you who are focused on studying a postgraduate after graduate, my request is don't be in a hurry. Take a break, gain some work experience. And in Hindi, there is a kahavat ki thokar khao or joote ghiso. And that joote ghisna is a very symbolic concept of hard work and realities of life. And go and earn 1 rupee out of your own sweat and do something with your life. And once you understand how the world works, how the world needs talented people like you, and how you can fit and create value for yourself and for your families and for your societies, then comes this question that do I now study again or do I start my own company? Do I do this crash course? And that's where your career progression starts. So, my dear friends, all of you, work. Change your plans to do full time studies forever till 23 to a staggered way and work a little bit more, gain expertise a little bit more because you'll enjoy studies a lot more as well. And you will then realize the gaps that you have to fill and plan your career forward. Stay safe.